I have a question. Gusto niyo malaman yung name niya? Ayaw. Ha? Ayaw. Gusto raw. Ano? Gusto niyo malaman yung name? Okay, before ko pakilala yung friend ko, ako muna ha. Ayan. Okay? Once again, kids, my name is Kuya Rocky. Okay, that's my name. What is my name, Kuya? Rocky. Everybody say Kuya Rocky. Louder! What is my name? Kuya Rocky. What is my name? Kuya Monkey. That monkey. Say Rocky. Everybody say Rocky. Kaya nga, what is my name? Monkey. Not monkey. What? Say Rocky. Rocky. Monkey. Okay. Yak lang. Okay. First, before we start, you introduce yourself to them. What? Introduce yourself. Go. My name? Yes, your name. What is your name? My name. Yes, your name. What is your name? Say it. My name. Yes, gusto ko makilala ng mga kids. What is your name? Go. I forgot my name. Really? Yeah. Kids, nalilimutan niyo yung name niya? Yeah. Nalilimutan niyo yung name niya? Dapat hindi mo kaya palakasan ng konti ng mic. Kailangan hindi mo kinakalimutan. I forgot my name. Really? Yeah. Okay, sige. Ganito To remember your name, repeat after me. Okay. Say, my name. What? Say it. My name. My name. Very good. Is. Very good. Very good. My name is very good. No. Sabi nga. May binigay ako lang yun sa'yo. I forgot. Oh, sige. Ganito Just bow your head. Bow your head. Why? Para malala mo yung name mo. Bow your head. Ito? Yes, bow your head. Ito? Oh, bow your head. Ito nga. Yan. Wait lang natin. Nalimutan niyo yung name niya. Okay? Wait lang natin, kids. Silent. And remember your name. Okay. Sabihin mo sa amin lahat. Okay ka. Okay. Just concentrate. Concentrate. Then sabihin mo yung name mo. Okay. Tell to everybody your name. Concentrate. Alam ko na! Oh, what is your name? My name is Concentrate. No! Sabi mo! Sabi ko, not concentrate. What is your name? Yung name mo, nag-i-start with letter E. What letter? Letter E. Start with letter E. Letter E. Yun. So, alam ni Kuate girl. Talaga? Oo. Okay, go. What is your name? Hello, kids. My name? My name is what? Enot. What? Enot. Say it. My name is Enot. Si Enot, kids. Come on, everybody, clap your hands for Enot. Palakpakan niyo naman si Enot. Everybody say, hi, Enot. Hi, Enot. Oh, yung malakas daw, say, hi, Enot. Yeah, that's my name. Yes, Enot. Enot, yeah. Kilala ka na ng mga kids. Yeah. Greet mo silang lahat. Greet mo. Hi. With energy. High energy. Go! Greet mo. Say, hello everyone. Hello everyone. Di ba? Wait na kuya. Why? We are here at birthday. What? Birthday? Here in Barbosa. Barbosa Resort? Yeah. Why? Nandito tayo sa birthday party. Birthday party! Kilala mo ba yung may birthday? Yeah. What name? Sino may birthday? Anong name? Enot! Happy birthday to me! It's not your birthday. It's not your birthday. Yeah. Yung ating birthday boy, what is the name of the celebrant? What? Huh? Huh? Hotdog. Eli. You know Eli? Yeah, I know. He is. Why? Paano mo siya nakilala? He's my classmate. Eli is your classmate? Yeah! Okay, kung classmate mo si Eli, hanapin mo. Huwag yung tutulog. Enot. Where's Eli? Where's Eli? You. No, hindi yan. Hindi yan. You. Hindi yan. You. No. Wala dito. Eli is here. Really? Oo, go. Tawagin mo, go. Call Eli. Eli! Yes.
Eli! Ikaw yun eh.
Yan.
Eli! Eli! Where are you? Where's Eli?
Kids, where's Eli? Turo nyo nga, where's Eli?
Ah!
Why?
It's not Eli.
Uy.
He's Spider-Man.
No, he's Eli. Everyone clap your hands for Eli. Palakpakan nyo naman. Come, Eli, come here. Ayan.
Yeah. He's my classmate.
Really?
Yeah. Hi, Eli. How old are you? 2 years old.
How about you, Enad? How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
What? 6. What do you want to be someday?
I want to be a policeman.
What?
Policeman.
Policeman. How about you, Eli? What do you want to be someday?
What?
You want to be a? Enad.
Tourist.
What? What?
Tourist.
What's that? Attorney?
Fighter.
Hi, Kiter! Like a UFC.
Yes, okay. Greet mo si Eli, birthday niya ngayon. Greet mo si Eli.
Eli.
Say happy.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Not New Year. Say happy.
Happy holiday!
No! Say happy.
Happy Valentine's.
No! Kids, greet nyo si Eli. Say happy. Yung malakas.
Oh, it's your birthday. Happy birthday! Sing tayong birthday song.
Let's sing a birthday song for Eli. Everybody, bibigyan ko ng prize yung malakas kumanta. Ready? Sing ka rin, Enad, ha?
Okay ka.
Alright, everybody sing!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ina. What's that?
Her mom.
Ngangin. Hindi ka na-kiss niya.
Kiss Enad, Eli. Kiss Enad.
Come on. Kiss me.
Kiss Enad.
Come on. Let's take a picture.
Let's take a picture. Look at the camera, Eli. Yeah, let's take a picture together with Enad. Everybody clap your hands for Eli. Thank you, Eli.
Ha? Halika. Ano? Halika! Halika.
Why?
Ang sakit. She's a fighter.
Ayan. Kilala mo ba yan?
Yeah.
Anong name niya? Anong name?
Siya niyan?
Sino yan?
Diki Soria!
No.
Sabi mo eh.
May friend natin yan, friend. Nalimutan ka yung name niya. Nagpaalam siya sa'yo. Si CR lang daw siya.
Yeah.
Okay. Kaya ang bait na to ni Enod, ha? He's very kind. Enod is very kind. He doesn't know how to lie.
Yes, that's true.
Oh, let's see. Tingnan natin kung hindi ka sinungaling.
Okay. I'm not a liar.
Okay. You see Eli?
Yeah. Eli.
What do you think?
He's handsome.
Handsome. Okay. How about ate girl on the other side?
She's beautiful.
Beautiful. How about that one?
Cute.
Cute. How about Sak?
Sino yan?
Sak, raise your hand.
Wow, Kogi.
Wow. How about si ate girl? Ayan,
Beautiful.
How about si
Divisoria.
Divisoria? Raise your hand, Divisoria. Anong tingin mo kay Divisoria?
Kilala ko yan eh.
Ano? Anong tingin mo?
Gungi.
Anong tingin mo?
Cute.
Cute. Okay daw. Okay, dito natin malalaman kung sinungaling si Enot. Enot,
Yeah.
I have a question. Need mo ng answer, yes or no lang.
What?
Yes or no yung answer mo.
Okay.
Pag yes, paano? Okay, yes. How about no? Okay, very good. Enot,
Yeah.
look Kuya Rocky.
Why?
What do you think, Kuya Rocky? I'm handsome?
Ha?
I'm handsome? Yes or no? Okay, he said? Yes, right? He said yes. Okay, what? He said yes. Oh, di ba? Nagnoloko. No!
I said yes.
Handsome ba si Kuya Rocky? Yes or no? Okay, he said? Yes, right? Oh, it's a liar. You're lying. No. Cute ba ako? Cute, cute. Yes or no?
Yes, no.
Okay, everybody clap for hands for Elon. She's not a liar. What? Nagno-no ka ra, ha? Nagno-no? Ayun eh, si Alin na nga.
No. Come here, come here.
Ate, come here. Yan, liar ka raw. Saka sabi niya na yan.
Kilala kita. I know you.
Sino, anong name niya? What name?
Oink, oink.
No, no.
I'm sorry.
Hey, ate girl, come here.
What is your name? 1 plus 1.
Very good.
2 plus 2. 4 plus 4. 8 plus 8. And now, 16.
What? Magaling, magaling. Eh, I'll give you a prize. I'll give you a prize to those kids na kikis kay Enot. Ha, bibigyan ko ng prize. Sino? Raise your hand. Yung kikis kay Enot. Come here, birthday boy. Come here. Who else? Bibigyan ko ng prize, ha? Si Saksa, come here. Kikis Enot first. Here. Very good. This your turn. Go. Who else? May prize ka sa akin. Who else? Sino naman? Marcos. Kilala mo si Marcos?
Yeah.
Paano mo siya nakilala?
He's my boyfriend.
Ano ka ba naman? Here ka, Kuya Marcos. Kiss mo si Enot. Enot, ha? Bakit?
Ang alat.
Kiss mo lang dito. Dito lang.
Yeah.
Taga niloloko mo naman si Enot eh. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hello, Gigi. What is your name?
What is your name, baby?
Ha? Hot dog.
No. Ganito ha. Mas maganda we have a bubble show. And invite ko lahat ng kids natin. Come here, Eli. Come here. Lahat ng boys. Boys, come here. Join kayo dito sa amin. Let's take a picture first before we start our bubble show.
Happy birthday, Eli. I'm your cousin. Eli, I'm your cousin.
Boys naman ha. Boys. Look at the camera.
Ay, I know you.
What's that?
Take a kick.
No. Look forward. Look at the camera. Waki. Eli, stay here. Girls naman, girls.
Tika, sorry ah. Recto.
Here ka, Divisoria.
Narununtok yan eh.
Hindi, nagulat sa'yo. A picture, look at the camera.
You're so cute.
Look at the camera here. Girls, look at the camera. Waki, girls, waki. Heart.